So I did actually go, side note, to Spirit Halloween just to check to find some accessories for this Cleopatra. And 'twas a fail. So I pinned some old jewelry. There's literally a necklace sitting in my wig right now, and it's just hanging down. I mean, you definitely knew it was Cleopatra, right? I hope so. Fit for a queen, or a pharaoh, or a phara. Gonna have to look that one up. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This is Cleopatra. Cleopatra is part of a series within my 31 days of Halloween called Timeless. She's from the times. Today's video is sponsored by Maybelline. Thank you so much, Maybelline, for sponsoring this video. We have the star of our video here, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Can we just like take a look at this glow? I don't even need to say anything. Just look at it. Without further ado, if you guys want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching.
Alright guys, jumping right into this Cleopatra makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with the brows, filling them in as I always do, but I am using a darker brow pencil because we are going to be putting on a black wig. I'm using the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte to shape out my brows and also as a base for my shadows. For the shadows, I'm using all of these shadows from the, well, not literally all of the shadows, but the shadows for the look from the So Jaded palette from the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. I'm using the two warm shades in my crease, and then I am blending the turquoise shade in the inner and outer corners, and then a little bit of dark blue just to deepen it up. I'm then going to cut my crease. I'm just cutting like the center of the crease, kind of like a spotlight eye. And then I'm going to take the gorgeous, literally guys, it's so pretty, the Master Chrome Molten Gold Highlighter. I'm going to place that right on top of my cut crease. And I'm also going to add some to the brow bones and the inner corners. I topped off the center lid with some glitter from MAC. And once we've topped it off with some glitter, I'm going to move on to the eyeliners. So I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black, and I'm just going to line the top first, and then instead of winging it out, because we've been winging it out a lot this Halloween, I'm actually going to create like this boxy, like elongated triangle shape. I would definitely look it up on Google if you are going to be recreating this, because it's just a weird shape. I don't understand it, to be quite honest with you, but you know, it's the Cleopatra look. I'm adding some mascara, lashes, and some gold liner to the waterline. And then for face, I'm using a bronze illuminating primer from Amazing Cosmetics, the Blur Stick from Milk Makeup, and then for foundation, I'm using the All Day Luminous Foundation from NARS. This is an oldie, literally used it like all up. And then I'm going to use the, and now my new favorite concealer for lighter, easier makeup, the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to set everything and then add a ton of bronzer, add some of this blush from Maybelline in the color Wine, and then I'm just adding some shadows to the bottom lashes and then creating that other classic weird Cleopatra shape right under the eyes, and I'm adding some glitter to them, and then we're going to add some glitter to the one that we created before as well. I'm spraying my face with the MAC Fix Plus Gold Light, and then I'm adding even more of that Master Chrome highlighter all over my face, nose, bridge of my nose, cheeks, forehead, chin, everywhere guys, everywhere. This is a goddess, pharaoh, queen makeup. I added my lip color on, added some of the Master Chrome in the middle, some gloss, and here is the final look.
Hey guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to me right here. It'll be here or here. And check out all my other Halloween videos right here. Thank you so much again to Maybelline for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys liked it. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys in my next Halloween video.